Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. It's just another beautiful day, and the phone number here at the dealership is 694-1234, and we're centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road in Ocala. The team has just pulled up this 2017 Kia Niro, and this is a particular one is a hybrid, and it was rated when sold new as one of the top rated hybrids made. So it hates gas. This 2017 only has 29,000 miles, 15 CARFAX service records, nice sporty body style, upgraded leather interior. So if you've got some commuting to do, or you're putting someone on campus and they need some tight parking spaces, let me recommend this little gem that's just arrived. We buy nice cars, but not to keep. Steering wheel controls, leather. The floor mats, look how clean they are. And the leather, just a spectacular smoke-free cabin. Steering wheel controls, and a lot of features. Your USB and all the plug-ins that your young one's going to want. This is Chris at Prestige. Just wanted to take a quick 90 seconds to give you a little peek at a 2017 Kia Niro hybrid that's just arrived with 29,000 miles. And we're always going to price it under market. We'd much rather have you as a customer. Keep your business here in Ocala than this car which I can replace. Thanks, and I'll see you at the store.